I bet you didn't know your Google Home can stop working for simple reasons. Let's get your smart speaker talking again. Here's what to try first. First, check if your speaker's plugged in and the power outlet works. It sounds simple, but a loose cord or dead outlet can be the culprit. Next, make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi. Open the Google Home app and check if your device shows up. If not, try restarting your router and the speaker. Just unplug them, wait 10 seconds, then plug them back in. Still, no luck. Press and hold the microphone mute button on your speaker. If you see lights turn on, the mic might have been off. Try talking to it now. Sometimes, your Google Home just needs a reset. Look for a small button, press, and hold it for about 15 seconds until you hear a sound. If nothing works, check for updates in the Google Home app, or try re-adding your device. And remember, sometimes patience is key. Give it a minute after each step. Now you know how to bring your Google Home back to life. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.